Hello everyone. Welcome back to Talentelgia Technologies. Today, we're diving into the world of AI language models as we explore Chat GPT-4 versus GPT-3.5, a thorough comparison. Let's get started. First off, let's introduce our contenders, Chat GPT-4 versus GPT-3.5. These are powerful language models that have been making waves in the world of conversational AI. Let's discuss and understand their features, applications, and how they continue to shape the landscape of conversational AI. Discussing model architecture. One significant difference lies in the architecture. ChatGPT-4 boasts advancements in its underlying architecture compared to ChatGPT 3.5. This could potentially lead to improvements in language understanding, context retention, and overall performance. Highlighting training data. Next up, let's talk about the training data. ChatGPT-4 benefits from a more extensive and diverse training dataset, which plays a crucial role in enhancing its language capabilities. This means it has been exposed to a wider range of information, potentially resulting in more nuanced responses. Exploring the fine-tuning capabilities. Another key difference is in the area of fine-tuning. ChatGPT-4 provides more robust fine-tuning capabilities, allowing developers and users to tailor the model to specific domains or use cases. This can contribute to more accurate and specialized conversations. Discussing multimodal capabilities. ChatGPT-4 introduces multimodal capabilities, enabling it to understand and generate responses not just based on text but also incorporating information from other modalities like images. This is a significant step towards more contextually rich interactions. Comparing performance. Now, let's touch on performance. ChatGPT-4 aims to outperform its predecessor in terms of generating coherent and contextually relevant responses. The improvements in architecture, data, and fine-tuning collectively contribute to a potentially enhanced user experience. Highlighting use cases. Both models find applications across various domains, from customer support to content creation. The key differences we've explored today can have a substantial impact on their effectiveness in these different use cases. Mentioning ChatGPT 3.5 as free and ChatGPT 4 as paid. Before we wrap up, it's essential to note a critical distinction. While ChatGPT 3.5 is available for free, ChatGPT 4 comes with a subscription fee. This difference in pricing is an important factor to consider based on your budget and specific requirements. In conclusion, the transition from ChatGPT 3.5 to ChatGPT 4 brings about notable enhancements in architecture, training data, fine-tuning capabilities, and the introduction of multimodal features. Whether these differences are crucial for your specific use case, along with the consideration of pricing, is something to ponder. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the key differences between ChatGPT 4 and ChatGPT 3.5. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Thanks for watching.